Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be repairing our laptop power cord. As you can see, we've already attempted with electrical tape, but that doesn't work out. I also use this for my phone, to charge my phone, and there's a lot of bending going on. So we're going to need to do something more permanent. Let's cut off the old electrical tape. Okay, pour some 91% alcohol in a rag. All this material has to be removed first. And dry it. Now we're going to take a razor blade and trim this excess piece off here. Cut a thin piece so we can place it right here. Okay, taking our second strip. The reason we're doing it in small strips is it's going to help with rigidity. So it's not just one big piece flopping around. Keep in mind pulling the tape taut. Taking a third strip. This heat shrink tubing comes in various sizes. However, the issue with our cable is it's not one size. So this is the smallest size we have that can get over the head. And we're going to want it right here. But the problem is, when we shrink it, there's still going to be space. So what we're going to do is insert this other tubing. Now what that is going to help take up the slack or the room in there. We're going to be using a heat torch, but you can use a lighter or a heat gun or blow dryer. Our butane torch is running a bit hot, so we're going to use a heat gun. Set on low. You can pick these up for about $15 at Harbor Freight. There we have our finished product. It's tougher than anything you can buy on the market. Now the tubing does come in black, but this is way too big for our needs. If you look in the comment section, I'll put a link to the heat shrink tubing. Be sure to visit my channel, check out all my full length videos.